What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we are on an hourly time frame, and I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have to form this structure. We have to form higher lows and higher highs in order to confirm an uptrend, in order to be more bullish and have more confirmation to add the medium-term swing trade position. So, for now, we are not out of the woods. As you can see, we are still moving a little bit south, but during this movement for the recent several sessions, we have increase in volume. As you can see, right here, the volume was slightly lower than we had for the last 4 to 5 sessions, and this means we have more interest for now from the investor's standpoint to this asset, and it is a very good sign. So I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and let's continue with the fundamental news related to this company. First of all, I don't want to dive deep into their company profile or dive deep into their numbers. I just want to pay your attention on two numbers. First of all, this one. Their total market cap for now is $331 billion. And more importantly, their PE ratio for now is 16.37. It is extremely low PE ratio, and this company is extremely undervalued. And I don't think that we might see this low PE ratio in these type of companies, and we all know that for now Alibaba is experiencing huge bearish pressure from the Chinese Communist Party and from other minor catalysts that drive the price of this company lower. So, and let me show you the recent news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on December 21st, and it's titled Alibaba shakes off downgrade to rise almost 7% and lead Chinese tech stock rally. And let me quote you these bullets. Chinese tech stocks bounced back Tuesday, led by Alibaba shares rising almost 7% despite Atlantic Equities analyst James Cordwell cutting his rating on Chinese e-commerce kingpin. Prior to the start of trading, Cordwell took down his rating on Alibaba to neutral from overweight and lowered his price target on the company's stock to $140 a share from $185. Cordwell said he made the moves because he has little confidence that Alibaba will be able to turn around the operations of its Taobao and Tmall online shopping and retail businesses. Cordwell's downgrade came in the wake of Alibaba holding an investors last week. That event led analysts such as Morgan Stanley's Gary Wu to say they believed that Alibaba is in a good position to drive revenue growth in 2022. And here is what he exactly said. Following the investor event, Morgan Stanley analyst Gary Yu said Alibaba has the potential to drive average revenue per user across multiple user groups as it continues to diversify its supplies and products, which should drive loyalty and spending. And I have to say that overall, let me show it to you right here, overall we have a lot of ratings from TipRanks. As you can see, we have 24 ratings, and the majority of them, 21, suggest to buy this stock, 3 to hold and 0 to sell. And the price targets are following. The lowest price target is $140. Average price target is $205.18, and the highest price target is $252. And even to our average price, average estimation price, we have about 66.84% of upside potential from our current levels. And this means this asset is extremely undervalued. And this means potentially we might see a huge bounce to the upside that will last for at least several months, because we have consistently lower lows and lower highs for more than 1 year. As you can see from this very point, from the top of its price section, that was on October 27th, 2020, and till present day we have consistently lower highs and lower lows. So, and let me show you one more article. We are on motleyfool.com, and this article was published on December 21st, and it's titled Why Alibaba stock popped 6.5% today. And let me quote you this. Hong Kong-based investment bank CLSA led off with the bull argument, calling Alibaba stock cheap at its recent price under $123 a share. CLSA predicts that as Chinese consumer spending grows, as Alibaba expands further into international markets, and as Alibaba's own technology improves, these three strategic engines will propel the company's growth, reports TheFly.com. Of these three engines, CLSA places the greatest weight on Alibaba's technological prowess, saying the company enjoys unparalleled competitive advantages and a strong technological lead, in particular in cloud-based computing, which will be the next big growth pillar for Alibaba stock. And I completely agree with this statement that their cloud-based technology will drastically increase their fundamentals, because this part of their business is growing extremely fast. And this means we have a lot of upside potential from this company in the long-term perspective. And when we will see the reduce of bearish pressure, this company will skyrocket. And that's why we can rely on this ticker as a potential investment point in your portfolio. So, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. First of all, guys, let's take a look on a bigger picture and let's continue with the weekly time frame, and let me show you indicators. As you can see right here, we still have higher lows on RSI, and right here we have lower lows on the price action. And this means this is a very strong bullish sign. It is a bullish divergence, and this bullish divergence shows the upcoming trend reversal. And we have to be prepared for this, and in this case we will have massive upside potential. Let me show you that on a smaller scale, if we switch to hourly time frame, we still don't have much confirmation of a potential uptrend, because we don't have higher highs and higher lows. I have to say that we have to form this formation, and we didn't form it yet. And this means, for the short-term perspective, the only positive sign that we have for now, that we won't break this previous bottom, and basically it is the first one. And the second one is the volume. And this volume shows us that this asset is nearing its pivot point, and this means we can rely on this asset in the long-term perspective. So I don't encourage you to enter your swing trade position, because as I already mentioned, we don't have this confirmation of higher highs and higher lows. But if you want to invest in this company and you realize all the risks related to this company and related to Chinese Communist Party and potential crackdown that is still in play, you can add your position on every daily red candle, and this position will benefit in a matter of several weeks to several months. And the upside potential for this stock is quite massive. The lower estimation price, the lowest price target from this source is $140, and it is the confluence with our, as you can see, previous support/resistance right here that I drew several weeks ago. And from our current price, we have about 13% to the lowest price target, and to hit next swing high, we have about 38.38%. This means the upside potential is much higher than the downside potential, in my opinion, in this case. And if you want to invest, just enter your position on every daily red candle. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!